Welcome to Master Mathematics in Minutes. Today's topic is about converting decimals to fractions, and we'll cover a couple examples on how to convert decimals to fractions, and we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, how do we convert decimals to fractions? Decimals can be converted to fractions based on the decimal place value. Let's consider a couple examples. We have 0.3, and the decimal place value of the digit 3 is in a tenth. And so we can rewrite that as 3 over 10. Secondly, we have 0.07, and the digit 7 has a decimal place value of 100th. And we can rewrite that as 7 over 100. And finally, we have 0.009, and the decimal place value of 9 is a thousandth. And we can rewrite that as 9 over 1000. So we can convert decimals on the left to fractions on the right-hand side by recognizing the decimal place value. In the first example, we asked to convert 0.9 to a fraction. So, the digit 9 has a tenth decimal place value, and so we can rewrite that as 9 over 10 in fraction. In the second example, we asked to convert 0.87 to a fraction. So, the digit 7 has a decimal place value of a hundredth, and so we have 87 hundredths. And so that can be rewritten as 87 over 100 in fraction form. In the third example, we asked to convert 0.357 to a fraction. So, the digit 7 has a decimal place value of a thousandth. So we have 357 of a thousandth. And so that can be rewritten as 357 over 1000 in fraction. In the fourth example, we asked to convert 0.208329 to a fraction. So there are 6 decimal places here, and so we have a millionth. And so we can rewrite that as 208329 divided by a millionth in fraction form. To summarize, decimals can be converted to fractions based on the decimal place value. Consider a couple examples. We have 0.3, and the digit 3 has a decimal place value of a tenth, and so that can be rewritten as 3 over 10. Secondly, we have 0.07, so the digit 7 has a hundredth decimal place value, and that can be rewritten as 7 over 100 in fraction form. And finally, we have a thousandth, so 0.009, the digit 9 has a thousandth decimal place value, and so that can be rewritten as 9 over 1000 in fractional form. So we have decimals on the left and fractions on the right, and that's how we convert them. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics in Minutes.